Did you know your body is like a bustling city? It's true. Tiny workers are busy all the time. They build, they clean, and they deliver important things. But these workers are not people. They are even smaller than a breadcrumb. They are called cells, and they are the building blocks of every living thing. Cells are so small you need a microscope to see them. But don't let their size fool you. They are the heroes of your body, working tirelessly to keep you going. Want to learn more about their amazing world? Let's dive in! Imagine a single brick. It's small, unassuming, and by itself, it doesn't seem to have much purpose. You might even overlook it as just another piece of material. One brick alone can't do much, right? It can't provide shelter, it can't form a wall, and it certainly can't build a house. But what happens when you start to put many bricks together? When many bricks come together, they can create something much larger and more complex, like a sturdy wall or even an entire house. This is very similar to how cells work in our bodies. One cell by itself is tiny and simple. It might seem insignificant when viewed in isolation, but just like bricks, cells have incredible potential when they work together. Trillions of cells working together create something truly amazing. You. Each cell has a role to play, contributing to the overall function and health of your body. Cells come in different shapes and sizes, each uniquely designed to perform specific tasks. This diversity is what makes the human body so versatile and capable. Some cells are round like balls, perfectly shaped to roll through your bloodstream. Others are long and thin like threads, ideal for transmitting signals over long distances. Each type of cell has a special job to do. Some cells, like red blood cells, are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body, ensuring that all your tissues get the oxygen they need to function. Others, like white blood cells, are your body's defenders, fighting off bad guys like germs and keeping you healthy. And some cells, like neurons, are specialized to help you think, learn, and remember. They form complex networks in your brain, allowing you to process information and respond to the world around you. Every cell has a thin skin called the cell membrane. This membrane is crucial because it controls what goes in and out of the cell, acting like a gatekeeper to maintain the cell's internal environment. It ensures that essential nutrients enter the cell while keeping harmful substances out, much like a security system. Inside the cell, there's a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. This is where the cell's work happens, housing all the tiny structures that keep the cell alive and functioning. The cytoplasm is bustling with activity, as various organelles perform their specific functions, from producing energy to building proteins. And in the center of the cell, we find the nucleus, the cell's control center. This vital structure contains the cell's genetic material and directs all the cell's activities. The nucleus acts like a brain for the cell, telling it what to do, when to grow, and when to divide. It's the command center that ensures the cell operates smoothly and efficiently. Just like bricks need mortar to stick together, cells need something to hold them in place. This mortar is called the extracellular matrix. It's a web of proteins and other molecules that surround cells and helps them stick together. When cells of the same type work together, they form a tissue. Think of a tissue like a team of builders who all know how to do the same job. There are 4 main types of tissues in your body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue covers and protects your body, like your skin. Connective tissue holds things together, like your bones and tendons. Muscle tissue helps you move. And nervous tissue sends messages throughout your body. Different tissues can team up to build something even bigger and more complex: an organ. Tissues are like the building blocks of our body, each with a unique role. When they come together, they form organs, which are specialized structures that perform specific functions necessary for life. This collaboration of tissues is what makes organs so efficient and vital. Think of an organ like a house. Just as a house is made up of different parts, each with its own function, an organ is composed of various tissues working in harmony. It has different parts that all work together. The teamwork in construction is similar to how tissues collaborate to form an organ. Each worker has a specific job, just like each tissue has a specific function. The walls are like epithelial tissue, protecting the inside. Epithelial tissue acts as a barrier, shielding the internal environment from external harm, much like walls protect the interior of a house from the elements. The beams and bricks are like connective tissue, giving the house structure. Connective tissue provides support and strength, ensuring that the organ maintains its shape and integrity, just as beams and bricks provide a sturdy framework for a house. And the electrical wiring is like nervous tissue, carrying messages throughout. Nervous tissue transmits signals, coordinating activities within the organ, similar to how electrical wiring distributes power and information throughout a house. Your heart is an example of an organ. It's a complex structure that relies on the collaboration of different tissues to function properly. It's made up of muscle tissue that pumps blood, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to every part of your body. Connective tissue that holds it together, providing the necessary support and structure to keep the heart intact and functioning, and nervous tissue that tells it how fast to beat. This ensures that the heart can respond to the body's needs, whether you're resting or exercising. Your stomach is another example. It's a vital organ in the digestive system, responsible for breaking down food. It has muscle tissue to churn food, mixing it with digestive juices to aid in the breakdown of nutrients. Epithelial tissue to protect its lining, preventing the stomach from being damaged by its own acidic environment. And nervous tissue to control its movements. This ensures that the stomach can efficiently process food and move it along the digestive tract. Each organ has a specific job to do in the body. They are specialized to perform tasks that are crucial for survival and health. But no organ works alone. They all interact and depend on each other, forming complex systems that keep the body running smoothly. They all need to cooperate to keep you healthy and functioning. This intricate coordination ensures that your body can adapt to different situations and maintain homeostasis, the balance necessary for life. Section 5. Super teams, organs working together in systems. Imagine a football team. You have players with different roles: the goalkeeper, the defenders, the midfielders, and the strikers. They all have to work together to score goals and win the game. Your body is similar. It has different organ systems, each with its own team of organs working together for a common goal. The digestive system breaks down food. The respiratory system brings oxygen into your body. The circulatory system carries nutrients and oxygen to your cells. And the excretory system removes waste products. Just like a well-coordinated football team, organ systems rely on communication and teamwork to keep your body running smoothly. Section 6. The Fantastic Voyage, Exploring Your Organ Systems. Let's imagine we're shrinking down to the size of a cell and taking a fantastic voyage through your body. We could start in the mouth, where the digestive system begins. We'd travel down the esophagus, a muscular tube that squeezes food down to your stomach. Next, we'd enter the stomach, a churning, acid-filled chamber that breaks down food even further. From there, we'd move into the small intestine, where tiny finger-like projections called villi absorb nutrients from the food. Finally, we'd reach the large intestine, which absorbs water and prepares waste for removal. Our journey through the digestive system is just one example of how your organs work together. We could explore many other systems, each with its own unique functions and amazing teamwork. Section 7. Body Control Center. The nervous system in action. The nervous system is an intricate network that coordinates all the activities in your body. It's responsible for everything from simple reflexes to complex thoughts and emotions. Imagine you're playing a video game. Your brain is constantly at work, processing information at lightning speed. Your brain tells your fingers to press the buttons, coordinating the movement with precision. Your eyes to focus on the screen, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details, and your body to react to the action. Every movement, every reaction is a result of your nervous system working seamlessly. This is your nervous system in action. It's a marvel of biological engineering, allowing you to interact with the world in real time. The nervous system is like the body's control center. It's the command hub that keeps everything running smoothly. It's made up of your brain, the central command unit, spinal cord, the main communication highway, and nerves, the messengers that relay information. Your brain is like the central computer, processing information and making decisions. Processing information and sending out commands. It's constantly analyzing data and responding to stimuli. Your spinal cord is like a superhighway, carrying messages between your brain and the rest of your body. It's the main route for information flow, carrying messages between your brain and the rest of your body. Nerves are like messengers, carrying electrical signals throughout your body. They ensure that every part of your body knows what to do and when to do it. Carrying electrical signals throughout your body. These signals are crucial for every action and reaction. They tell your muscles when to move, enabling you to perform even the most complex tasks with ease. Your organs when to work, ensuring that your body functions properly. And your senses what to feel. They help you experience the world through touch, taste, sight, sound, and smell. The nervous system allows you to react to the world around you, learn new things, and experience emotions. It's the foundation of your ability to interact with your environment and adapt to new situations. Section 8. It's all connected, how your body works as one. Remember that bustling city we talked about earlier? Well, your body is even more complex and interconnected. All the cells, tissues, organs, and systems work together in perfect harmony to keep you alive and functioning. When you eat a piece of fruit, your digestive system breaks it down. Your circulatory system carries the nutrients to your cells, and your excretory system removes the waste. When you run and play, your respiratory system provides oxygen, your muscular system allows you to move, and your nervous system coordinates it all. Every breath you take, every step you take, every thought you have is a testament to the incredible teamwork happening inside your body right now. Section 9. The Wonders Within. Appreciate your amazing body. So next time you look in the mirror, remember that you're not just seeing your reflection. You're seeing the result of trillions of tiny cells working together in perfect harmony. It's a symphony of biological processes, a masterpiece of natural engineering, and a true testament to the wonders of life. Take care of your amazing body. Eat healthy foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. By understanding how your body works, you can make choices that support its incredible teamwork and keep you healthy and strong for years to come. Fun fact: your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood throughout your body. Question: can you name 3 things you can do to keep your body healthy?